Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I will teach you how you can use vidIQ in your desktop. So let's begin the video. Here you can see you have many options. You have this optimize generate, and right now I have opened the generate and I have asked this vidIQ to generate a 5-minute recipe for me. So let's click on generate and see how it will turn out. Here you can see some top rated keywords and you can see here the title as well. From here you can refine or you can copy if you're okay with that. And here you also have descriptions and tags as well. Here you can see the description, like if you want to do the changes here, how you can do that. For that you have to click on refine description, and here you can add the tags and you can regenerate that. And similarly here you can also see all the tags, and from here you can copy your tags. Here you also have this option called add tags. From here you can click on that and you can add different tags according to your own choice that are not given here. Mostly they refer you all the important and most rated tags. But if you want to add, then you can add. Here you can see the thumbnails. You can see that how perfect the thumbnails are. Look at the quality, colors, and this typing. Here you can see that they have written quick dinner so well. You can generate here, and here you can see these hooks as well. From here you can also regenerate your hooks, or you can see here you can make it challenging, calm, fact, promising, or questioning. Let's make it calm, and you will see that they are regenerating. Here just you have to wait for some time, and you can see that our hook has been regenerated. And here similarly you can also see this outline, how this outline work. If you want to renew this outline, you can go and you can do that. Here you have two options. Here you have this video length option and video type option. From here you can adjust the video length, you can make it longer or shorter, and here you also have this video type option. From here you can also change that to storyline, documentary type. You can do all these things, and you can also copy that to your clipboard. If you want to generate the script, then you have to buy their subscription plans. Unlike in the mobile, you can generate the script, but here in the desktop you have to buy their subscription. And here you also have this separate folder called thumbnail. In the mobile you can't see a separate folder for thumbnail. Here you have a separate folder, and here you have add a video, add a substance, and add a reference. You can add a video, substance, or reference for generating thumbnails here. From here you can also browse the reference. Here you can see all these videos, and from here you have this category called trending. So it's better to go for some trending and the top thumbnails. You can see here the Mr. Beast thumbnail. If we go and if we click on that for reference, you can do that. And here you have this upload. If you want to upload a media, you can do that from here. And here in the bottom you can see this paste link, where you can also paste your YouTube link. So for now I will go with Mr. Beast video, and you can also write here any custom instruction if you have any. After that simply click on generate. Here you can see that they have generated not one but three thumbnails for us. You can choose from these options. Here you can also change the space with your own picture. For that you have to upload your media from your folder. That was all about how the thumbnail works. Now let's move to the next one. Here you have this keyword. Here you can search for any keyword and you can generate similar ones. Here you can also see the top trending keywords as well, and here you also have these rising keywords. You can see here what are the popular things that's happening and on which thing you can make the video. You can also see here if the competition is high, low, or medium, and you can select a keyword trending and having low competition here. Now here for example, if I research for football, you can see here the keyword related to the football. You can see here football goals. You can see here Ronaldo, freestyle, and impossible moment in football that are trending. And here if you go to the related keyword, you can also see here a similar keyword to the keyword footballs, and here you also have these matching terms as well. You can see here the volume and the competition, and you can pick one. And here you also have these questions, where you can see the keywords in the term of questions. And here you have this outlier, where you can see your trending videos and you can get inspiration from these videos. Here you have many options. If you want more options, then you have to buy their subscription plans. And similarly here you can also see their filter option as well available in the premium one. For example, here I have researched for fitness. Now you can see here all the trending video related to fitness, and you can get inspiration from these videos. Similarly here you can also see the shorts as well. Here you can see all the trending shorts and you can get inspiration from these shorts. Here if you want to use this filter or other premium option, then you have to buy the subscription. Here you can see their monthly and the yearly plan. You can see here you have to pay almost $8.29 per month in the yearly plan, and the monthly plan you have to pay $9.50 per month. You can also see the features here, and you can do the payment through your cards. Here you also have some other options, like if you click on these three dots, here you can see these ideas, coach and competitions, SEO, and subscriber. Here if we go and if we click on idea, then here you can see all the ideas. They give you almost 3-4 ideas on a daily basis. These ideas are available only in the English language. Here you can see these 3 ideas. You can see their prediction as well. Here you can see the first idea has high prediction of views, and I have just saved that. And here you can also see the next idea with high prediction, and here you can see this one with the medium prediction. Like if you want to discard that, you can see that I have just discarded that. Now here in the save idea, you can see all your save ideas, and in the dismiss, you can see all the ideas that you have cancelled, that you have dismissed. Next, here you have this course where you can chat with the support. Here you have this basic chat and advanced chat. Here the basic chat is free, you can access that, but here for accessing the advanced chat, you have to buy their premium options. Here I have asked it to write a script about a YouTube video. Now you can see that they are generating that. Next, here we have this competitor. Here you can see all your competitors. For adding one, you have to go to add competitor. Here I have researched Mr. Beast, and now I will just click on the channel and we add that. Now you can see that our competitor has been added. Here you can see the daily views, the weekly views, and all the progress, and you can keep eye on your competitor here in the vidIQ. And basically that was all about how you can use vidIQ in your desktop. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.